Hey everyone, it's Michael. How are you? I wanted to share with you today a brand new digital folio kit that was just released from KCS Designs by Kim in her Etsy store. Full disclosure, I am on her design team and I was sent this kit a little early so that I could play around with it and print it out and make this video to show you guys what you get for $4. $4. The kit is called Journeys from Everywhere. Okay, it's meant to be a trifold folio. You can use it as a standalone folio. You can use it as a insert into a travel scrapbook or a travel junk journal, all of that stuff. Okay, you're getting two outside option pages. They've already been shaped like this. I'll show you in a second. You get 4 inside pages, 4 different designs for inside of the folio. You get 16 ATC sized ephemera. ATC is 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches, and I'll talk about that when I get there. You get 14 different pockets of different sizes, and they're meant to be layered on top of each other. So when I get there, I will show you that also. And you get 97 pieces of ephemera. 97 pieces. I'm still fussy cutting mine. All of this for, again, $4. I love it. I am not a junk journal person. I'm trying to get into it now. I fell in love with this kit as soon as I got it. I will say now I'm having a little problem with my printer. It's not printing as brown as it should be printing. Every printer will print differently. So when you see this, I know it looks a little greenish. This is because of my printer. So I'm saying that up front, just so you guys know, your printer should print correctly if you're have a good printer. Mine needs to be replaced soon. So these are the two, let me take this away. These are the two outside pages, so they're meant to be cut, and then you will score here and score here, and then you fold it and this will flap over onto the front. I'm going to come back to these in a second. So these are the two front page options. You can make 2 folios if you want. You could always cut this off and use this as an inside page. That's another option. This is the first inside page. This is the second. This is the third, which is really beautiful. Let me give you a closer up view of this. And then you get this collage of travel ephemera, which I think is really cool. Now, what I did is after I printed these, I put them back into my printer and I printed one of the papers, one of the inside papers on the reverse side. So this decorative piece, I printed the travel paper, and then this that has all the travel ephemera images on the front, I just printed one of the other pages. So when I cut it out, I'm gonna have this on the inside already. So that's just an option for you if you want to do that. So these are the 4 pages. Then the pockets. So you get these 2 pockets, these 2 side pockets here. You get these 4 pockets. Like I said, this is my printer printing wrong. Yours will not print like that. And then you get these 4 pockets also. And the idea is, you could put these 3 onto one page. You can layer this onto this and then onto this if you want to, okay? You can even cut this out and layer it on top of this one. Then you'll have a pocket going in this way, and you'll have the pocket from here also. And you'll see all of this when I do my tutorial on the folio I'm making. Then we have a ton of tags. Tags with scallops, tags with the oh God, what do they call this? the angle side, okay? So that's one of them. This is another one. And even these, you can glue the two of them together in a way, maybe use some washi tape here and have this is one side and this is one side, and then you can make another pocket if you want to. Here are some more tags and some little ephemera cutout pieces to just slip into the pockets. I love this one. This is, you're getting some attention, fragile contents, expediter. This is in French. You're getting some of these custom stamps. And then over here you have return to sender. And you have delivery attempted. Here you have some postage stamps. And you have some mini postcards, mini envelopes, a Western Union telegram, all really cute ephemera to just slip into the folio. Here we have some more cards, some more tags. These are meant to be cut, and then you're going to use like a little hole punch. Okay, you're going to punch out the sides here. You'll score this in the center, and then you can fold it, and it will give you another tag, and then you just need to punch out the little holes here with a hole punch. And here's a little baggage check. Here is the White Star Line to New York, Lisbon, Portugal. Luggage tag. This is really cute. This is great, even for a card. I mean, you can use this on Bon Voyage card. You can use this on a, have a great time card or something like that. That would be really cute also. Here is some more. This is great for snail mail cards. You have postage due, airmail, registered, canceled, priority, first class. This is great for snail mail cards. Whatever you can think of. It's not just related to the folio. Even for scrapbooking. Here's another one, and these are the airmail, almost like a washi tape. You can use this as washi tape. We have here some, I'm going to forget the word, wax seals. Some wax seals. Addresses. Very, very fun. Very fun. These are the ATCs. So these are the 16 ATCs. So they're 2.5 by 3.5. I think. I print on A4. This may be size 4. So this is 2 3/8 by 3 1/4 because I'm printing on A4 paper. But when you print on 8.5 by 11, you'll have a true ATC size. You can even, when you can, again, attach these with washi tape or just put a piece of double-sided tape here and glue this one on top, and then you could fold it up and have another way to have a photo inside of your album or card or scrapbook page or whatever you're doing. So these are the 16. We have Vienna, Cairo, Rome, Prague, Lisbon, Madrid, London, and New York. No Brazil, but that's okay. I could deal with it. So these are all the pieces. And let me just show you here quickly. I fussy cut the pockets. And even though they are already distressed on the printouts, excuse all this, this is my new 4-month-old pit bull puppy who likes to use me as a bone. She has very sharp teeth for a 4-month-old. So here are some of the pockets. And like I was saying, when you cut them out and you score them, this one can be adhered right on top of this one. The sizing might be off a little bit. You can then adhere, not that one. Maybe this one on top of that, and then this one on top of that. So you can do a whole bunch of different pockets. So you'll have a pocket here, and a pocket here, because you're only going to put your glue on these side pieces. So these were the pockets. I'm still working on some. This is the ephemera. I've already distressed these. I still have to fussy cut this, and then I need to distress those, and I still need to distress all this. So there is a lot of ephemera. You don't need to use it all in the folio. You can add pages. Anyway, this is the, where's the paper? This is the Journeys from Everywhere Trifold Folio. It's on KCS Designs by Kim. I will have a link below to this kit. Okay, it's in her Etsy store. It's $4. Another thing, if you sign up for her newsletter, I will leave a link for that also down below. You will get a newsletter from her a few times a month, and it might have a freebie in it for you or a coupon code. This week it was a coupon code on getting something off on the kit if you bought it. So I would highly suggest signing up for the newsletter. And that's it. I'd love to know what you guys think about this. Send me a like, subscribe to the channel. You guys know what to do. I'm not going to sit here and bother you with all that. Anyway, Journeys from Everywhere, Trifold digital kit from KCS Designs by Kim. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel today. And until next time, you guys stay safe. Thanks.